Welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, and today we are cooking mac and cheese. This is an easy one for all of the cheese lovers. So first of all, you're going to prepare your macaroni and cook it in the same way, honestly, that you cook any other pasta. Then you want to prepare the cheesy mixture that is essentially going to coat the pasta. So for this I use a little bit of milk, some flour, butter, and in terms of the powder seasonings I use all-purpose paprika, salt, chili powder and black pepper. You can also add an egg, but this part is optional. I also add a tiny bit of a chopped brown onion. The cheeses I'm using are cheddar and mozzarella, and you want to get a good helping here to really get a nice cheesy mixture. Now you just want to let this boil away until the mixture has thickened and the cheese has melted as shown here. Now add back all of that pasta that we cooked in earlier to a pot, and then you want to add in this cheesy mixture that we just created and mix it all together. So add this to a baking tray, spread out so that it's all even, and then on top just goes lots and lots of cheese. So again here I'm using mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and honestly just use as much as you'd like, as little as you'd like. Feel free to experiment with lots of other cheeses. If you are a cheese connoisseur, just go wild on the cheeses. Cook this in the oven for around 20 minutes at around 200 degrees Celsius or so, and then your mac and cheese is finished. Now look at this cheesy, beautiful goodness. If you like this, please like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.